In this lesson, we are going to talk about pitch class. Pitch class are all the notes that share the same letter name. So for example, we learned about the F note in space 1 of the staff and the F note on line 5. We said, oh, those are two different F notes. We'll talk about that later. Well, we're getting to the point where we're going to start to talk about why those are different. So those two F notes, they're both F notes. They're the same pitch class. So all E notes, those are all the same pitch class. All G notes, those are all the same pitch class. All B notes, those are all the same pitch class. All D notes are the same pitch class. All F notes are the same pitch class. All A notes are the same pitch class. All C notes are the same pitch class. So pitch class doesn't show us how low or how high the note is. It doesn't show us whether it's a low pitch or a high pitch. All it's doing is it's saying the name of this note is E, and all of the notes that are named E, they belong to the same family or the same pitch class. So now we're going to watch example 47 together, and we're going to see and hear how different notes that are in the same pitch class sound from each other. So each pitch class is the same family. The pitch class is all the E's, all the F's, all the G's. But the F's are going to sound different one from the other. The E's are going to sound different one from the other. But you might hear that there's a common element. It's sort of like when you see a family together and you see the cousins and the brothers and the sisters and the mother and father, and they all sort of look a little similar. There's something a little similar about how all they look. That's what you're going to hear for pitch classes, that there's a similar thing in each pitch class, how all the E's sort of sound like they're related, even though they're different, just like different members of a family are related, but they're different. All the F's, they sound, oh, there's something a little bit similar, but it's a little different. Let's check it out. So right there, could you hear the similarity between all three E notes in the pitch class of E? Each one sounded different, sure. They're different members of the same family, but they also had a similar element to them, a similarity. This time I'm going to let it play all the way through. We're going to listen through this one more time. This time I'm going to talk while the video is playing. So listen to these E's. All different, but there's something similar between them. F. They're all different, but there's something similar about all those F's. G. G. All different G's, but they all sound a little similar. And the similar that I'm talking about is not how high or how low the pitches are. There's just something in there that your pattern recognizing brain may be picking up on and going, something sounds similar there. I see the family resemblance between the E's. Even though some of them are very low, some of them are very high, there's still a family resemblance. There's still a family resemblance between the F's, the G's, the A's. Though we're not listening to them, it's the same thing with B's. B, 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 B. All similar. Here's all the C's. C, 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 C. So then you can hear they're all different. Some are much lower than others, but there's a similar thing to them, which we are going to talk about. Here's all the D's. And again, there's something similar there. I'll see you in the next lesson where we're going to start to break down that similarity. Hey there, if you want to learn more about music theory, I highly recommend right now going to grab the 10 things everyone should know about music theory. It's a free download for you that you can get right now. There's a link in the description, also in the pinned comment below this video. So what are you waiting for? Go grab that thing and I will see you in the next video.